Hello friends, my name is Swati Chavan and today's topic is why Java is a platform independent language. We know that in Java, Java's code are very the Java's code are not Java's code are compiled and run with the compile and run with the JRE, JDK and JVM platform. To support this platform, Java's code are compiled and run. JDK stands for Java Runtime. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. GRE stands for Java Runtime Environment, and JVM stand for Java Virtual Machine. JDK are also used to create the tools and develop the libraries and tools. JVM are for the support the code for uh, compile and bytecode are execute the code are converted into bytecode, and bytecode are converted into machine language. In machine language, JVM will be readable. And this platform can be support this platform can be support for Java and support for Java and use the Java is a platform independent. That's why Java is a platform independent language. One of the most important feature of Java is the platform independent language, like other languages as like C and C++ language. C and C++ language was a platform dependent language. There was no provide for the compile and run the program for C program for C and C++ program for the uh, for the compile and run program to any platform. We know that in Java is provide one of the most and popular language uh, to the developing purpose and develop the front end, develop the website and desktop applications, such as we can create different types of websites and web applications for the web application for the environment. We know that the Java's most important feature for the platform independent language. Platform in that's Because the platform independent language, Java does not supportively uh, does not support the pointers and operator overload. Only one operator are overload in the Java is a plus operator, and it is also concatenate the two string and two operators uh, for the for the language. In Java platform independent, the Java's code are also only run one time and uh, support uh, only support one time and only run the one time, write once and run anywhere. We can Java's code are only write once and run anywhere language, anywhere platforms, such as anywhere Windows operating system such as Windows operating system, Linux operating system, and Mac operating system. Java provides the different types of libraries and tools to create and store the Java program, and to store the multiple programs for the Java. Java is a totally independent language for the platforms such as JDK, JRE, and JVM. JVM are support support the Java program to debug and compile and run the program. Thank you.